devised a complicated plan of attack that will create chaos beyond the scope of anything Sonic could ever handle. They will write poems and sing songs of how I triumphed over that blue bumpkin.
As you can see, it takes 17 motobugs, the Eggmobile, some explosions, and cookies.
Huzzah!
Any last words, Sonic?
Yeah.
Maria.
What?
Hey, Sonic, what do you think of Shadow the Hedgehog? I mean, ew, right?
What a random question. Him.
Oh, Shadow!
You again?
Just wanted to let you know I ran into our old pal Sonic today, and he did not have the nicest things to say about you.
Him.
This aggression shall stand.
One salad, please.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine, and you're not really fine, and you just can't.
I could really use someone to talk to about my feelings.
Dr. Amy is in session. So, what do you want to talk about first? Your childhood inadequacies or your regular inadequacies?
Cookies.
Here, have a turn up.
Why do you all look like you just finished a musical number? Can I get a double meh burger, Savage style?
I'll get right on that. And I mean that double sarcastically. Savage style.
How dare you! I'll destroy you all!
You and what doctorate?
Ooh, you better write yourself a prescription for that sick burn. Oh, wait! You can't.
What are you implying?
I don't know, what are you inferring?
What are you implying?
What are you inferring?
Implying.
Inferring.
Implying.
Inferring.
Implying.
Yes. We have to coordinate a spin attack from opposite sides.
I take orders from no one.
Quit fooling around.
Leave Knuckles alone, he's not harming anyone.
Great job, Knuckles. You activated one of Eggman's Cold War missiles.
This vacation is killing me. Next time, can we just hang out on a hammock by the beach?
Oh, relax. We're almost home. Huh?
You gotta be kidding me. At least we're almost home and can put this nightmare behind us. Spoke too soon. It's 2:30 in the afternoon. People are trying to sleep.